Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with the card kit reveal and inspiration, and this one is called Window Frames. We have a very unique set this month, and it is a 6x8 clear stamp set with images in a frame type setting. So we have some flowers, balloons, and also hearts. Around each of the framed images, you'll see a lot of messages, so they are individuals, and there's also balloons and hearts and pieces of flowers that you can add together. So what makes this set so unique is that it goes with our tri-window die. So this is the die. I've just cut out a white piece of paper to show you how these windows work. So once that is cut out, in your kit you'll receive a My Favorite Things Square Shaker Trio pouch that fits right inside. And I'll show you how this works with the stamp. So once you have your piece die cut, you can place the stamps right on top, and you can either stamp onto your pattern papers or your cardstock and then color or emboss or do whatever kind of decoration that you want. To help you with your window dies and your paper, we have the 1/8 inch score tape, and that fits right in between the areas of the window on the My Favorite Things trio window. Once you have your length that you want, you can just tear or cut that apart. It is double-sided, so you'll have one sticky side, and once you have everything in place, you pull off the second layer. Another really fun thing that we've added in this kit is a container of buttons galore and more sweethearts embellishments. I've put some in a bowl so that we can see these up close. They are all hearts. There are white, pink, and red. And I honestly thought they were candy when I first looked at them. They are so perfect in those shapes of the hearts. Another fun thing you'll get in your kit is a jar of Nouveau water droplets, pure Sheen gemstones. So these have a really beautiful turquoise look, and I wanted to show you something fun you can do with these. You can put two of these gems together to create a little heart. So those are another embellishment for this kit. The papers for this kit are from Polka Doodles, and these are the Timeless Rose selection. They are 6x6 papers, all in pinks and slight red tones. These are single-sided, and you'll get 8 sheets in total. And the patterns mainly have roses and hearts, and some are vintage looking and some are a little bit brighter. So those are single-sided, 6x6 inch, and you'll get 8 sheets in total. You're also going to receive 3 envelopes, and this first one is cotton candy, and that is a metallic. Secondly is the silver metallic, and then finally an ivory envelope. And those all have that peel tab, so you don't have to lick them to stick them. And you'll get 3 Simon Says Stamp cardstocks in Schoolhouse Red, Ivory, and Cotton Candy. Up next is some inspiration, and I've created this card using the balloons, and then I filled in some balloons into the center of that tri-window and created my messages on top. Cindy Norberg did a really amazing weaving job with her cut strips of pattern papers and then stamped her love you onto a die cut heart. Susie Plantamera really knocked it out of the park. She used the flowers and the leaves and just added some blocks of pattern paper with love you stamped and embossed. And then finally, I have a little card that I've created using the window, and I've just put the love you 3 times where that's white embossed, and then added a small message underneath and added some of those little hearts right under those windows. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and card inspiration for our card kit window frames, and be sure to check out our blog for more inspiration and also a link to our galleries. And as always, thanks so much for watching.